Marauders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing side mirrors on my Polaris Ranger 1000 XP Trail Boss Northstar Edition. Hope you enjoy the video. Take a quick look at the mirrors. Actually, they're pretty nice. Tools I'm going to be using: pair of scissors. I have to cut out templates, which I have to tape onto the doors, and then drill an 1/8" pilot hole with my M12 Milwaukee Fuel M12 impact. Then I'm going to be using my Milwaukee M18 with a 1/2" drill bit impact. Then I'm going to use my M12 Milwaukee Fuel 3/8 ratchet with a 3/16 Allen driver on it. And I think that covers the tools. Let's cut out templates. When you put this template on, this is a right-hand door template, they specify in the directions to line up the curve here with the template. They feel that's important. So I'm lining up the curve of the template with the curve of the door. That looks pretty good. You can see it. Then on the inside of the door, this hole in the template gets lined up with this bolt. And then again, we're lining up with a curve on the door. So we'll line that up with a curve on the door and that bolt. There's crosshairs on it. Give you a look. So I'll drill 2 holes there. Those holes appear to line up really good. And they don't want you to drill through the entire door. Let's drill the pilot holes. They tell you to punch these. I'm gonna drill them. Remove the templates and drill it out with a 1/2" drill bit, but they don't want you to drill all the way through to misalign them. Okay, so I got 1 drilled, 2, and again, I didn't drill all the way through to the inside. Okay, we're going to take these bolts and we're going to stick this double washer. This will go on the inside of the door. You can see that. Then put the spacers on, and the bolt assembly is correct. And then we're going to stick the blind nut with the closest end of it to the nut in first to get up in there. We're going to put it in this little slot like that. And let's go over to the door. We're going to put these through the door. We're going to put the bolt assembly through the interior of the door with the spacers that fit very well. Then we're going to start to thread them into the mirror itself. And then you go back and forth. I love it. Pretty good. I was dreading this job. Wasn't bad. So I have them adjusted where I wanted. I'm going to use a 5/16 Allen driver to tighten the set screw at the bottom. Add tension to it. So it adds tension to it. Man, I really like those mirrors. So the primary reason I want these side view mirrors is for backing into the garage. The rear camera doesn't give you a good view of the sides and the corners, and what a nice view obviously these side view mirrors give you, and that's really why I wanted them. So let's give it a shot. And I'm worried I'm going to hit the side of the garage doors or one of my machines. I'll tip this one up a little bit. And I'm going to tip this one out a little bit. And up. Okay. And that's the bad corner over there. And I can see that I'm not going to hit the garage door. Love it. And I'm not going to hit my machine on this side. Fantastic. You can see that. Nice mirrors. You can see the camera. I'm really not going to hit anything in the rearview mirror. I don't think side mirrors you need them for DOT. You don't need them for DOT, but it certainly can't hurt if I decide to license this for the street. So Marauders, that's the mirror installation on the Polaris Ranger. I'll give you an outside look.